See, I give you a brand new vehicle in advance, and then...
I'm not going to debate you, Jerry.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and debate. I will say this, though. What Shep told us didn't make a whole lot of sense.
What are you, nuts? We had pancakes for breakfast. Gotta go to a place where I can get a shot and a beer and steak, maybe. Not more fucking pancakes. Come on.
You lied to me, Mr. Lundgaard. You're a bald-faced liar.
Bucky, please.
A fucking liar.
Bucky, please.
You know, keep our spirits up, fight the boredom of the road. You can't say one fucking thing just in the way of conversation. Well, fuck it. I don't have to talk either, man. See how you like it. Just total fucking silence. Two could play at that game, smart guy. We'll just see how you like it. Total silence.
I'm not sure that I agree with you 100% on your police work there, Lou.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think that vehicle there probably had dealer plates. DLR?
Oh. Jeez.
We need more
This was
money.
supposed to be a no rough stuff type deal.
Don't ever interrupt me, Jerry. Just shut the fuck up.
Well, I'm sorry, but I don't...
I'm not gonna debate you, Jerry. I'm not gonna debate. We now want the entire 80,000.
Oh, for Christ's sake, here.
Blood has been shed. We've incurred risks, Jerry. I'm coming to town tomorrow. You have the money ready.
Now, we had a deal here. A deal's a deal.
Is it, Jerry? You asked those three poor souls up in Brainerd if a deal's a deal. Go ahead, ask them.
The heck do you mean?
The heck you mean? I'll see you tomorrow. Fucking shit me!
May I have your ticket, please?
Open the fucking gate!
And I guess that was your accomplice in the Woodchipper. There's more to life than a little money, you know. Don't you know that?